Hello, friends. My name is Amita Ghosh, and you are watching Asatoma Sadgamaya. In my last video, I had discussed that in order to manifest any desire or even to lead a healthy and peaceful life, we need to be in a high vibrational state. Now, many of my friends had asked me that what does it mean to be in a high vibrational state? If you want to know whether you are in a high vibrational state or not, then just catch yourself at any given time and observe whether your thoughts are positive or negative. Also observe whether how you are feeling at any given time. If you are in a high vibrational state, then you will feel light, relaxed, and joyful from inside. If you are focusing on the brighter side of things, on the silver lining of the darkest cloud, then you, my friend, is in a high vibrational state. The effect of spirituality on our overall well being has been proven in a number of scientific studies. Such studies suggest that those who practice spirituality have a better cell growth and it discourages abnormal cell growth and which in turn leads to a longer life. Here I want to emphasize spirituality does not mean to detach oneself from everything and stay aloof. It just means to be aware of yourself. It's our connection with the higher self is just to live a relaxed and joyful life, to live positively. That's all it means, nothing else. Today, as the video unfolds, I'll be discussing with you four important steps how we can raise our vibration and fight this virus out. Step number one, let's reprogram our mind. Well, friends, our dominant thoughts throughout the day determines our overall vibration or energy. We are a sum total of the overall energy that we radiate out. Now, friends, you may ask that why do we need to be in a high vibrational state? Well, friends, as we all know, these days we all are so scared. Everyone is panicking over coronavirus. The emotional and physical pain is increasing exponentially. The world economy is going down drastically. We are unable to handle our own emotions. So, this is the best time that we have to raise our vibration in order to deal with this situation. Most of us are facing problems like fatigue, headache, irritability. We are getting annoyed at the smallest of triggers. We are facing health issues also. So now let's focus on the solution. The most important step is just stop discussing and talking about this negative situation all the time with other people, because we think that it is a totally harmless thing to do, but we just have no idea that it drastically lowers our vibration and our overall energy. And we create fear in our minds when we talk with others about the same thing again and again. This fear multiplies thousand folds and it creates a very negative energy around us. It causes an imbalance in your immune system and makes us more vulnerable to the attack of this virus. And friends, please don't start watching TV news or reading newspapers early in the morning. This is the time where you have to give to yourself. And even if you need to read the newspaper, do it 2 3 hours after waking up in the morning. Our words, our thoughts have enormous power, and when we keep repeating them again and again, they become a self-fulfilling prophecy. The people who panic more and expect the worst to happen are the ones who make it true for them. And the second most important step is just jog it out. Movement also releases negative energy. It is the suppressed energy in the body that causes diseases. These days, we are working in front of our laptops for long hours, and it has become mandatory to move our bodies in order to stay fit and healthy. Simple exercises like brisk walking, jogging, dancing releases the tension from the body and relaxes the mind as well. Exercise has a direct effect on our immune system. When we exercise, our body promotes good circulation. The cells and the substances of the immune system can move freely through the body, and our immune system is kept in perfect balance. Step number 3: nourish your body as well as your soul. Always eat the food that makes you feel energetic and light from inside. If after eating your food you feel lethargic or you feel sleepy, then avoid eating that particular food. Your body knows what is best for you and it never lies to you. The raw diets, also known as the yogi or angel diets, they are very good for our body because they instantly fill our bodies with high vibrational energy and make us feel vibrant and light from inside. A number of health effects are directly related to unhealthy eating habits like stomach upset, acidity, acne, heart diseases. The list is endless. Consuming greens and sprouts strengthens our immune system and makes our body fit to fight any disease. Here, I would like to add that we should consume at least 30 grams of sprouts every day. And friends, eat your meals 2 hours before going off to sleep and give considerable time gaps between meals because it gives rest to our organs and raises our vibration. Step number 4: relax yourself with meditation. Friends, I feel that even 10 minutes of meditation every day can do wonders to our mind and body. It connects us to our higher self and instantly relaxes our body and calms down our mind. You can go for guided meditations which are available on YouTube, or you can simply meditate by just focusing on your breath. And apart from meditation, whenever you get time between your working hours, you can simply take deep breaths. It instantly relaxes your mind and body. When we experience stress, our body releases cortisol, the stress hormone, which has a very negative effect on our immune system. When we are overstressed over a very long period of time, then it impairs our immune system and makes us physically sick. When we meditate, our brain releases oxytocin and dopamine, which relaxes our body and calms down our mind. Friends, I hope these steps which I discussed with you today will help you in coping up with this situation. Our personal energy is connected to the overall energy of the world. Let us fight this crisis situation together, united, and come out as a winner. Let's give this virus a time out. I'll be back soon with you with another video. Until then, stay blessed.